Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with Asim. Viewers, today we have decided to explore the park near the ZSTU. This is very beautiful park with a long jogging track, one lake, many beautiful sights, mountain like view, and there are the stones, very beautiful park, and especially it is designed like a home of the rich people. So let's go inside. Viewers, now I am inside the park, and behind me you can see this construction is especially the ancient Buddhist construction system. So here we can show you many this kind of huts and the sitting point for the people who come here for exercise, for the jogging, or to relax for some time. So this is very beautiful area. So let's go towards another side. Viewers, this bridge is in the front side of the park, and along one side of this bridge is the lake view. And here you can enjoy the fresh air, the air that strike the water from the lake and come towards you, and the natural scenic sights. And along the other side of this bridge there is the city view. Even you can see the ZSTU campus from there, and the road, and many things are here. Now I am at the top of the crossing bridge. Again down, up and down. Viewers, I want to share with you the construction of these huts. Especially they use the wooden material, and this is also one historical architecture system. At that time they used the glass and the wood to construct these kind of huts. Even the roof is also like a curve in the triangle shape, curved roof, and they use a lot of wood, and they do some kind of special carving on it, and many kind of characters or many kind of designs they print inside the wood, and then they use to make these kind of huts. And these huts are for the travelers who come to the park, as well as the people who come for the exercise. They want to have some rest, they can come here, or in the sunny time they provide very good shady area, so the people can have some rest here. Viewers, you can see this space is very flat space, and this area people use for the a little dancing in the night, or if they want to have some yoga practice they can come here, or they want to have some martial art practice, then people can come here. And this give very beautiful view, means inside the nature. You see here is the lake, behind you is the greenery, and very good space. No one is here to disturb you, so you can perform your activities, your healthy activities here. So this is really the amazing point. If you come to the Hangzhou, must visit this park, and this is very big park. Even the people in the winter season, when there is a sunny day, they come here, they do the camping, they do the BBQ, they play with their kids and the family. This is really very beautiful park. Viewers, you can see now I am in a small hut, this wooden hut, and around is the circular table. If you want to have a short meeting, or if you want to have a small gathering, you want to eat something here, you just come here, sit here comfortably and enjoy the environment. Viewers, this is the evening time, so it is going to be dark. I want to share many things with you. You see along my right side, it look like one mountain. If you are habitual to do the to climb the mountain, then you can come here. Even you can have the climbing, and you can have your picnic at the top of this mountain. Come. Viewers, this is not the track of a horror movie. Actually, this is the walking track in the sunshine. You can see with the wooden floor, with the ancient constructional design, and you can walk here even in the sunshine, and very beautiful area. Wherever you get tired, along with you there are the tables, chairs. You can sit here, you can have some rest and continue to walk. So come here. You see this is very beautiful big track. You can see here same they use the wooden pillars and with the arc shaped design. Along here is also, you see, they have made the wooden design and the tables and also stairs up and down. You will have a great feel here. So this is really very amazing park, very amazing area. I am taking you from this track. You can see this is very long track. Even you just come to this park and you have one round trip of this track, you will feel that you have enjoyed a lot. So I cannot express that feeling that I am here. So you should come here and then you will enjoy this thing. So you see, even whenever the people they get tired, they can come here. Even many students come here to study. They keep their bags, laptop, they can come here and they have a study as well as they can eat something here. Viewers, here you can observe this is a grassy field and it is the evening time and people are doing the camping here. You can see the kids are playing, people are here with the family, they are doing some kind of parties, as well as you can see they have installed some small camps here. So they will spend some time here, and after that, when it will be little dark, then they will go back to their homes. I want to share with you one more detail, that in between this park, a little far from here, you have to cross some rocks, a few parts of the lake. Then you will have one restaurant, and that is very big restaurant with a lot of variety of foods. So if you come here, you can also have your meal from there. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, then please subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.